So everyone knows I equals V on R, and we all know I equals current because it has an I in it. So a really common metaphor for current is if you have a given pressure like the flow in this pipe, but a low resistance, you're going to have low current, but with higher resistance like in this pipe, you're going to have much higher current. So to really get an idea of what current is, I thought I'd go over some of the examples we'd find in common household electrical stuff. For example, with the relationship between power, current and voltage, with something like a car battery that runs at very low voltage, but the starter motor requiring a huge amount of power to start the car, the current is extremely high. So when you turn the key to start your car, the starter motor draws over 200 amps, which is just about 100 phones charging. And as we're touching on batteries, the way a battery charger usually knows that the battery is charged is because it stops drawing current as there's no more voltage difference anymore. Another great example is this arc welder, which is basically just a transformer that steps down the voltage but supplies huge amounts of current, allowing you to melt metal together with enormous temperatures over 2000 degrees Celsius. That welder runs off a 10 amp system, but some appliances like the oven have to have a 15 amp system because they draw so much current. These systems are designed so if the oven draws over 15 amps, the breaker pops and it prevents the oven from melting all the wiring inside of the house.
Yeah, we learn our uni.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is an example of the house turning off the power because it detected a residual current between my body and the ground, and it turned all the power off to protect me, and it happens so quickly that you usually won't get injured. It's also really useful because it means you have a black screen where you don't have to find as much footage to use. There's also lots of equations to do with current, such as the Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL, which if you want to learn about, you can go watch some smart guy on YouTube.